How to start affiliate marketing with no money. Want to venture into the world of affiliate marketing and recommend products just like your favorite influencers do, but don't know how or where to start without investing in advance? We've put together a guide on how to start affiliate marketing with no money or prior knowledge about the affiliate marketing business. Click the link in the description to access our free training. The basics of affiliate marketing. The original formula for affiliate marketing is sign up, share, earn. How does affiliate marketing work? Let's look at how affiliate marketing works so you can earn more money within the top affiliate networks by promoting quality content and product links. Sign up for an affiliate program. Affiliate marketing programs are referral campaigns where a company or brand partners with affiliate marketers like influencers, YouTubers, bloggers, and others who promise to refer to their products within their audiences. Every successful referral that leads to sales gets paid a commission. Share an affiliate link. Once you've signed up, you'll be issued a specific affiliate link to put on your social networking platform for potential customers to click. From blog posts and YouTube videos to posts on other prominent social media platforms, affiliates share their affiliate links and create content on the products to boost traffic and prompt sales, thus earning themselves commission. Someone clicks and makes a sale. Encourage them to spend money on the products and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. Earn commission from each sale. When signing up for one, you'll be notified of the percentage you'll earn with each sale. It really is that simple to become a top affiliate marketer. Sign up, share a link with high-quality content, and cash in by making affiliate sales. Is affiliate marketing worth it? The short answer is yes. Low risk. Start affiliate marketing with no money, upfront payments, investments, or surprise fees. High earning potential. That means companies are willing to spend on affiliate programs and set tempting affiliate offers you may not want to miss. Flexibility. This means you don't need to sit in an office and create valuable content within four walls. Work from home or anywhere in the world as long as you stay connected. Possibilities. More than 80% of brands worldwide have affiliate programs, as they're convenient for both sides. How to start affiliate marketing with no money. Any influencer, blogger, YouTuber, social media enthusiast, or anyone with spare time and creativity can become an affiliate marketer in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Select a profitable niche and target audience. Succeeding in affiliate marketing is all about picking the right niche to attract potential customers within your chosen audience. Start promoting affiliate posts on a targeted niche blog or social media page and excel in affiliate marketing. Creating a niche website or excelling in targeted content marketing gives you the credibility to promote the affiliate products on your social media platform. Research the market. For example, currently, blogging, fitness, cooking, and finances are some of the most profitable niches. Pinpoint your interests. What are your skills and knowledge? Research competition. What are the most popular affiliate marketing programs? How do others start affiliate marketing without money? Step 2. Choose an affiliate program. Once you've selected a niche close to your interests and knowledge, it's time to pick a fitting affiliate program to promote affiliate products within your chosen market segment. Affiliate networks to consider: ClickBank, Amazon Associates, JVZoo, Flex Offers, and more. This allows affiliates to choose products close to heart or interest for their affiliate marketing business. How to find affiliate programs. However, if you want to start affiliate marketing on your own terms, pick a program yourself. Some affiliate programs pay per click, some per lead, and some per sale. Step 3. Create content. The only thing that leads customers to your blog post, YouTube video, Instagram post, or website is top quality and SEO optimized content. Put your affiliate offer in a creative and convincing way in front of your audience and encourage them to make a sale by providing top-notch content. If you've just started affiliate marketing, do keyword research before promoting affiliate products on your site or account page. Content type. Deciding what content to put out for your audience is just as crucial. This needs to comply with your target personas within your niche. Research. From competitors and their content to current trends on social media, product categories, market niches, and more. confidence and persistence. Try the products yourself, promote what you know, love, and enjoy, and be persistent with your content output. Set a schedule, develop a content strategy and calendar, and keep your audience intrigued and up to date with the latest offers. Step 4. Drive traffic. Choose a traffic source for your affiliate marketing content by picking one of many platforms for your promotions. How to start affiliate marketing with no money or upfront investments. Build a social media presence on sites and free platforms where your buyer personas can mostly be found and chime in on the organic traffic these platforms provide. Facebook is the largest social media platform worldwide, offering you a chance to shine in front of an audience of 2.9 billion users. Affiliate marketing on Instagram is for showcasing the affiliate products in all their glory using video content like stories and reels. TikTok has become one of the most popular social media platforms, especially for younger audiences, with entertaining videos and click-worthy content that doesn't require a professional touch. YouTube is the perfect platform for showcasing tutorials, product reviews, and how to guides professionally and creatively. Start your affiliate marketing path. You don't need to invest large amounts of money to start your affiliate marketing journey. We have a free training available for you. Click the link in the description. Join us.